If you're looking to auto-create tasks in ClickUp or Trello using form data, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set this up so you can streamline your workflow. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing a free trial to the software I'm using to make this happen. First, let's get into it. The best way to auto-create tasks is by using form data that can automatically be sent to your task management tool. Whether you're using ClickUp or Trello, this is going to save you hours of manual task entry. To start, we'll need to connect a form tool to the task management software. For this, I recommend using a form builder like Google Forms or Typeform. Once your form is set up, you can start integrating it with either ClickUp or Trello using automation tools like Zapier or Make. These tools allow you to easily connect your form with your task management software without needing to write any code. Let's walk through how to set it up with ClickUp first. Inside Zapier or Make, choose Google Forms as your trigger app. Select New Form Response as the trigger event. Then, connect your Google Forms account and choose the specific form you want to use. Next, select ClickUp as your action app. Choose Create Task as the action event. Now, map the form fields to the relevant fields in ClickUp, such as task name, description, and due date. You'll want to make sure the information from your form is correctly placed into the task fields. Once this is set up, every time a form is filled out, a new task will be automatically created in ClickUp. If you're using Trello instead of ClickUp, the process is very similar. You'll still start by connecting Google Forms or Typeform with Zapier or Make. After selecting the form as your trigger, choose Trello as your action app. Select Create Card as the action event. Then, just like with ClickUp, map the fields from your form to the Trello card fields. This can include the card title, description, due date, and more. Now your form responses will automatically create Trello cards without any extra work on your part. The key takeaway from this video is that automating your task creation with form data is an incredibly efficient way to keep your projects organized and save time. Once set up, you won't have to worry about manually entering task details. Everything is handled for you as soon as a form is submitted. To recap, we covered how to set up auto task creation in ClickUp and Trello using form data with automation tools like Zapier or Make. By doing this, you can streamline your workflow and stay on top of your tasks without the extra effort. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software I mentioned in the description below. It's available only to my viewers, so if you want to follow along, be sure to grab it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.